Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Huobi Global, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency trading platforms. In this video, we'll dive into how Huobi can help you trade, stake, and maximize your cryptocurrency assets effectively. Huobi Global offers an intuitive platform where you can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from popular assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum to niche altcoins. Start by creating an account. Signing up is quick and easy. Head to the homepage, click the Sign Up button, and fill in the required details. Once your account is verified, you're ready to explore the platform's robust features. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find all trading and account management tools. The Markets tab displays live prices and charts, allowing you to analyze trends before making trades. Use Huobi's spot trading feature for straightforward buying and selling, or explore margin trading for leverage. For seasoned traders, Huobi's derivatives market offers options like futures and perpetual swaps. Staking is another standout feature on Huobi. By staking your assets, you can earn rewards while supporting blockchain networks. Simply go to the Earn section, choose the asset you want to stake, and follow the prompts to lock in your funds for consistent returns. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For security, Huobi employs multiple safeguards, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold wallet storage. Ensure your account's safety by enabling 2FA during the setup process. Additionally, Huobi's mobile app lets you trade and monitor your portfolio on the go, ensuring you never miss a market opportunity. Take advantage of Huobi's welcome bonuses and promotional events. Visit the Promotions tab to explore exclusive offers, including bonuses for new users who sign up using this link: https://lnk.do/jqecoif. It's an excellent way to boost your trading journey. Stay tuned to our channel for more crypto insights. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and guides.